morning internet, it is 7:15 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Today is the day I am leaving. I am going on a repatriation flight back to the Netherlands. The plane landed yesterday and on board were 120 Peruvian people that have been stuck in Europe and couldn't fly back to Peru because there were no flights. So they came back to Peru, and then today I think about 400 Dutch people are going back to the Netherlands. And if you are new to the channel, then please watch episode 72. Then you will understand why I am going on this repatriation flight. This is one of the last flights back to Europe. Yeah, then there will be absolutely no option to leave Peru until normal flights come again. And that's another reason why I am taking this flight, because there are absolutely no commercial airplanes at the moment and we don't know until when that's going to happen. So obviously what has been going on in my mind for the past few weeks as well, if that is something happens to the people that I care about in the Netherlands, then I cannot even go back to the Netherlands. I cannot take a flight. You know, and all my travels when I've been far away from the Netherlands, that was always in my mind. You know, like, oh, if something is wrong, I can just hop on a flight back to the Netherlands and go see them. But obviously that is not possible at the moment. So that is another reason why I decided to go back to the Netherlands now. And wait until the crisis is sort of resolved around the world and it's possible again to travel around freely. So I've now been in lockdown in Peru for 3 weeks, so I'm pretty excited to board this plane. So let's go. Okay, locked and loaded, ready to go. So I'm outside, I'm now walking to the collection point. I already see a very long line of people. So let's see. Alright, so now I have to wait in line. I think this is gonna take a long time, but it's all good. A lot of tourism police as well here. The line is growing longer and longer. See? There's also people coming that are on the waiting list. I just met 2 Germans that I met on the way in Chala. And they're hoping that somebody doesn't rock up today and then they can take their seats. But judging by the amount of people, I think flight is going to be full. Look. Almost at the registration point. There's a lot of dogs on this flight. After the registration, then I have to get into the bus, and then we're off to the military airport, because the normal commercial airport has been closed, of course. So the repatriation flights are all going via the military airport. So let's see how that will look like.
¿Es de otra persona? Sí, no es nosotros. Ya. Los tengo acá por si acaso, pero los tengo yo. Que les vaya bien. Ya vas a subir, por favor. No estaba con la cosa. Very nice. I see you here.
That's
So
it?
now you're ready? You can go on the bus?
Yes, okay,
Yeah? You're
thank
ready.
you.
I'm ready. Good to go.
Thanks, bye. Gracias. The entire route until here there was a police escort. We have 4 buses in total. Now we are here. There we are. Not sure what's going on, but we have to sit here. Luggage in front.
Where is your goal?
This side.
Okay.
Este mano y este...
De mano con usted.
Ah, ok. Gracias.
Ya lo pasé. Ya.
Buenas tardes.
Adelante, gracias.
Gracias. Boarding the plane. Woohoo! I'm so excited.
Mannetje, dit is 18C. Eerste gang pakken.
So they gave us an entire survival kit. Look how awesome. I have to say, pretty amazing. So I made it. I'm gonna say it again, big thumbs up for the Dutch embassy. I think they did an amazing job to get everybody home, and also for the KLM to arrange all of this. I say pretty awesome. So yeah, I think once everybody's boarded, then we'll just take off. So yeah, almost there.
Snappen dat het heel anders is voor u en voor ons. Dit zijn spannende en best verdrietige tijden. Weet dat wij er alles aan zullen doen om u veilig naar uw geliefden terug te brengen. Dank u wel.
I've been on this airport, I don't know, countless times. But this is obviously the first time I see it like this. Pretty apocalypse-y.
Has passed the municipal ordinance with regards to social distancing as a precautionary measure against the spread of COVID-19. Please ensure you maintain at least 1.5 meters of distance from other travellers and airport staff.
1.5 meter distance. Well, we just came from a fully packed airplane. Anyway, I just heard on the news that the quarantine is extended with another 2 weeks in Peru. So that means now 6 weeks in total. So I'm pretty happy to be here. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next, well, actually I was thinking that I will do a live chat next week. Do a live Q&A, that will be nice. So I will announce it exactly when it will be. But join me next week on live chat and see you then.